स्पीकर सर, ये गारंटीड ऑथेंटिक है। इसमें नारावाने जी ने कहा है कि उनका मेमोआर है, उसे सरकार पब्लिश नहीं होने दे रही है। इसमें सब लिखा है।
I think not only of the PLA itself, but I feel it diminished the stature of China as a country in the global eyes. Because after this clash occurred and we showed that it is possible to stand up to China, who tries to bully its smaller neighbors.
स्पीकर सर, ये गारंटीड ऑथेंटिक है। इसमें नारावाने जी ने कहा है कि उनका मेमोआर है, उसे सरकार पब्लिश नहीं होने दे रही है। इसमें सब लिखा है। और मैं सिर्फ इसमें से 5 लाइन पढ़ना चाहता हूं, जिसमें नारावाने जी ने राजनाथ सिंह के बारे में और मोदी जी के बारे में बोला है।
हुई ही नहीं है तो किस पुस्तक को यहाँ पर उल्लेख करना चाहते हैं के बारे में?
माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, विवाद लीडर ऑपोजिशन ने ही समाप्त कर दिया है। वो स्वयं कह रहे हैं कि पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई। उन्हें स्वयं स्वीकार किया कि पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई है। अब जो पुस्तक प्रकाशित नहीं हुई है, इसका जिक्र सदन में कैसे हो सकता है?
और प्रकाशित हो तो भी नहीं कर सकते,
मगर प्रकाशित ही नहीं हुई है।
हाँ, ऐसे प्रकाशित कोई भी किताब प्रकाशित, कोई भी मेल पर, कोई भी चीज पर चर्चा कैसे हो सकती है यहाँ सदन में? माननीय सदस्य, आप राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण को बोले।
Were within a few hundred meters of our positions on the Kailash range.
माइक का कंट्रोल, सदन को गुमराह करने की कोशिश न करें और यहां अनावश्यक बातों का उल्लेख नहीं किया जाना चाहिए। राहुल जी,
do you think this fight in Galwan, the clash in Galwan, the way our troops gave them a bloody nose, did this demolish the image of 7 feet tall Chinese soldiers in the minds of our troops as well as internationally?
I think not only of the PLA itself, but I feel it diminished the stature of China as a country in the global eyes. Because after this clash occurred and we showed that it is possible to stand up to China, who tries to bully its smaller neighbors. Once we did that, I think from Canada to Lithuania to Europe to Philippines, everyone actually, got that feeling that yes, if you're fighting for what is correct, if you have a principled stand, it is possible to take a stand even against China. Mm-hmm. And we don't have to always be cowed down by the might that they try to produce. Firstly, we have not lost out in any territory. We are where we were before this whole thing started. But as a result of this agreement, it has been reached on the principle of mutual and equal security. So I think that should be the way we look at this whole disengagement process, that it serves the interests of both countries to have a very stable LAC and with less chances of any confrontation taking place. That should be the larger viewpoint that we take.
And not an inch has been lost.
Not an inch has been lost, that's right. Approaching this whole issue in a step-by-step manner. So the initial step was of course the disengagement which I've just talked about. So future rounds of talks will continue, and I'm sure that through these talks we will be able to narrow down our differences and arrive at a acceptable solution, once again based on mutual and equal security and which is acceptable to both sides.